Hi guys, today I'm gonna be making a restocking drawer video of paper squishies. Please, I haven't made a a video in a while, so like I made a I only made a little bit of 3D ones because I'm usually more into 2D, but this is the 1D because it's only one side. It's one side. It's just one sheet of paper. Yeah, so it doesn't squish that much. So yeah, so I have this drawer right here. I've been filming my paper squishies. So let's get started. We're gonna put all the outshine popsicles in first. No, just start with all the green items, which I'm not gonna. I got a lot of them. Hopefully that my video doesn't pause. Is the video pause and I don't have enough storage? I'm gonna have to make a part 2. All the green stuff. So I'm just trying to talk and just throw them in here. So we got we got pink. Now we still got pink. Okay, now we're gonna put in blue. Yellow. More yellow. Oh no, I forgot blue. Okay, now that was just 2 minutes. So it's like I'm gonna make more. I could make more paper squishies, but these don't have they don't have tape like you usually be seeing them. But they're squished. I'll give them a 10 out of 10 except the goldfish because I don't like the squish because it's just one piece of paper.